Hi beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to the family, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, guys, I love you all so much. Before we get into what this video is about, if you're not yet subscribed, please do click that subscription button and click the notification bell button, guys. It's free, joining on the fun, joining on the madness, like, you know what it is. So today, I'm gonna be unboxing or unpackaging, however you wanna call it, hair. We're unboxing hair from the Luscious Beauty Studio, owned by Minentle. I'm subscribed to her channel. Like, I'll link her business page thingy in my description box, and I'll link her channel as well, just so you can see how the hair is. And I'm going to show you guys which hair I got, the price, and also tell me which hair you want to see more of, because I'm not going to stick the hair down today, nothing like that. It's just like me introducing you to my new babies. Yes, so let's get into it. Okay, so firstly, they come in like this type of package, right? The first one I'm going to show you, I got 3 of them. The first one I'm going to show you is, if I can just get it right, is this ombre curled one. It's a 24-inch ombre curls, goes from brown to like light brown, and yeah, they're all synthetic, right? It's all synthetic hair. I got it for $350. I think all the hairs that I got were, yes, they were all $350. So this was $350, the other one was $350, and the other one was also $350. So this is how it is. I'm just gonna show you how it looks. Let me just put it on. So I'm gonna just wear my wig cap, right? I mean, guys, we went to Plat. Oh my gosh, do you see this? We plaited. Yes, finally. I know you guys have been on my neck. Oh, Ben's plait your hair. Okay, no, I'm lying. You guys never said that. I'm the one. I'm the one that's been telling myself to go plait, but we plaited. Yes, we did. But I'm still gonna wear my wig cap because why? I like it. I like wearing it. So they all what's this? They have like a stocking type of cap. It's not like a normal wig cap, right? The lace is very small, so if you're not one that likes small closure, I guess, don't I wouldn't really recommend it. But honestly, the quality, guys, when I bought the hair, let me just put it on first. Oh, wow, Jesus Christ. Like, do you see this? Do you see me? Oh my gosh! What do you mean? What do you mean? What? Get out of here! Like, anyway, before I bought the hair, right? She had asked me if I want before, and I'm like, nah, I don't want synthetic hair, right? And then I kept seeing her wear the same stuff, and I'm like, wait a minute. It's synthetic, not like plastic, She's like, nah, it's like proper synthetic. I'm like, oh, yes, I'm here for this. So like I said, the lace is very small. Hold on. It's very small. So if you want like a full thing, DM her. I don't know if she has, but yeah, these are the ones I got, and I am here for these curls, darling. Like, guys. So next is this bad boy over here, and I am loving it. I am here for this, like, you guys. Boy, like, what do you mean? Guys, okay, so it's a 16-inch. I don't know, straight hair, I guess. I don't know what to call it, but yeah, let me just wear it and then I'll show you. So like I said, I'm not sticking the hairs down. I'm just literally putting them on so you guys can see how they look. Let me know which hair you want, you know, like you want me to like focus more on or do a video with. You understand what I'm trying to say, right? You understand? You understand, guys? Like, oh, stiff wear, huh? Stiff wear. Ugh. Yeah, I just made a mess of myself, but like, I am literally obsessed with it, you guys. I think it's 14, if I'm not mistaken. It could be 14. I'm not sure, but I would like to think it's 16. You guys, like, I'm in love. Like, I'm in love. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I just have to show you my babies. Also, give me names for them. The curly one, the straight one, and the other one, which I'm gonna show you now. But like, give me name suggestions because they need names, you know. Like, oh my gosh. Last but not least is this bad boy over here. I don't know why I like saying bad boy. Like, if you've been on my channel for long, you'll know that I'm always saying bad boy to things, not just hair, like even my eyeshadow palettes. But anyway, here it is. It's a straight 24 inch. I'll put like all the descriptions down below in the description box, but yeah, here she is. It's like a brown, it's not black, it's not like super brown, but it's like a brown hair piece, which is like how they all are pretty much. But oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I can't wear it. Ew, I just made a mess. No, I didn't. I just wore it wrong. Okay, so it's not straight, but like I said, this is not really a what you call this thing. I'm not wearing these wigs properly. I'm just showing you, and I am here for this length. Oh my gosh, you guys, like, I am here for this length, you guys. Like, what do you mean? Oh my gosh, like, stiff wear. Where? Like, normally when you get like synthetic hair, it's like, what's this? It's like, you know, that one that is stuck together. It's like, doesn't really do this. It's just. Whoa! Come back! Wow. Anyway, I never thought synthetic hair could be, you know, like, guys, I'm in love. Like, I am in love. Oh my gosh, oh my goodness. Tell me which is your favorite one. I don't think I have a favorite just as yet. I think I need to wear them like more often, and then I'll tell you my favorite one. But that's it for this video, you guys. Please do like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, leave me, my words are going, leave me comments down in the comment section, give me names for them. Which one's your favorite one? Which one do you want to see in my videos? You know, like, talk to me. I'm here for you. Like, you know, I'm here for you. But please do subscribe to my channel, you guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Yes, you guys, please subscribe to my channel. And please do click on that notification bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. But that's it from me. I'll see you guys on my next video. I love you all. Bye.